Merry Christmas, boys and girls. Good morning. It's so good to see you. We're so excited. We're getting ready to do the Christmas presentation this morning that Reginald directed and Green Gorilla co-produced. But Pengy, how come you're not in your spot? You're sad? Why are you sad, Pengy? It's Christmas Day. Reginald said you can't be a wise man because you're a girl? That's not true. Pengy, you can be a wise woman. Some would say women are even wiser than men. So yes, of course, you can be a wise woman in the Christmas presentation. So, okay. Yeah. What? He also said because you're from Antarctica, you can't be in it because only Arctic animals can be in the Christmas presentation because they're closer to Santa's workshop. Okay, Penguin, you marched all the way up here from Antarctica. Of course you can be in the Christmas presentation and be a wise woman too. So come on, let's put you back where you're supposed to be, okay? So let's put you you're right by Elvis, okay, who's also, he's not that wise, but he's a king, so it's okay. But hey, look at all the babies. We're all ready for the big manger scene. It's so good. It looks like Big Posy is Mary and Big Bear is going to be Joseph. And hey, Green Gorilla, oh, are you kind of like an angel there? And Reginald, why are you in front there? Oh, you're getting ready to direct? Okay. And oh, it's the baby Jesus too. Yes, we're all ready to go. And all the rest of the babies too. We're ready and excited. So here, Reginald, why don't you be right behind the baby Jesus, okay? And then let's do our song for the presentation, okay? All right. Yes. Reginald, do you want to say action? Okay, go ahead. You can say it. Lights, camera, action. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth,